Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. Today we would be solving this problem, same tree. So let's go through the problem statement. Given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are same or not. So two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. Okay, so we are given input as two binary trees and we have to say whether they are identical or not, and the definition for them to be identical is they should be structurally identical and they have the same values, like the nodes have to have the same values. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. So we are given these two trees. Let's say this first tree is having this root P and this second tree is having the root Q. Now we have to say if these two trees are same or not. For these two trees to be same, the value of their root should be same and the left part of this first tree should be similar to the left part of this second tree, and the right part of this first tree should be same as the right part of this second tree. So the condition here is P value should be equal to the Q value. This is the root values of these both trees. They should be similar and the left part should be similar. So we can take help of recursion here because we are using this function to calculate if this whole tree is same or not, and the same function can help us to find if the subpart of this tree is same or not. So we can again call this function like if is same p dot left part and q dot left part and is same this p dot right part and q dot right part. Okay, so you got it right. So yeah, if these three conditions satisfies, then we can return true, else we have to return false. Okay, so let's look at the code for this question. Okay, so let's complete this function, which is same tree, and as the input we have these two nodes, which is the root node of both the trees. So we will check if p is equal to null and q is equal to null. If both these nodes are null, then we can just return true because the tree is similar, as these both are empty trees. Else we will check if p is equal to null or q is equal to null. At this point we know that any one of them is null and the other is not null, so we can return false. Then we will check if p value is not equal to q value. In this case we can just return false. If everything is fine, then we can check for the left and right part and check if they are same or not. So we can return is same p dot left. We will check if the left part of both of the trees is similar and right part of both of the trees is similar. Okay, so if both of this condition is true, then we will return true, else we'll return false. So this is the code for this solution. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more such videos.